Can I ask why you're filming?
I'm standing on the public place. You're
I know
also
you can,
filming.
but we are,
Yeah.
why? We're asking why.
For myself.
He's a
For your
media
what?
person.
Yeah, for myself. But you can't tell me what to do
I'm
because
not
I'm
telling
on,
you what to do.
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
asking
on a
you
public
why.
place.
Listen
I
to
think
what
you
I'm
should do
saying
your
to you.
job, not talk to me
I'm
because
asking
I'm
you, why
public
are you
place
filming?
and I'm a free person. I can do it.
You can.
Yeah, of course I can.
I'm asking you why though.
Yeah. So why are you asking me?
So I'm allowed to, aren't I?
So I'm allowed to
ask
film as well.
you. But you're not
But
answering what I'm saying.
so I don't need to answer you. I don't have to answer you.
Okay.
You're also filming. So I'm
Stand
standing
by.
on the public place.
Stand by.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Do you know why I'm
Take-
talking to this gentleman?
You can talk to him. It's no problem. You can talk to
Stand
him
by, please
and
उधर
keep
बना
doing
लो।
your job.
पता क्या उनसे परमिशन लेनी है
Yeah,
हमने,
that's
तो उनके साथ
fine.
हमने
I'm not part of them anyway. I'm a member of public, so I'm not nothing to do with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
I
you're not
film
helping the
every.
situation,
Huh?
are you really? Like, I'm trying
Yeah.
to talk to this gentleman.
Yeah, you can
nicely,
talk to him. I'm not nothing to
and
do
you're,
with
and
him.
you're aggravating the situation.
No, I'm standing here. I'm doing my job. You are the one who's talking to me. I'm not talking to you, and I don't want to talk to you.
There's no need for you to film.
Yeah, no, I am allowed to film
You're filming
anything I
directly
want.
at me, though. And
Even
I don't-
even if
you're allowed to do
even
that.
if I'm directly
listen to
filming
what
at
I'm saying.
you, I don't have to listen to you.
Listen to what
Even
I'm
okay,
saying.
let me tell you as well. You
I
need
know
to.
the law. I
Yeah,
know
you
you
know
can
the
do
law,
this.
and I also
I know
know the
you can
law.
do this. Listen
Yes,
to
of course. No, I don't
I know
have to
you
listen
can
to
do
you.
this, and I've
I
got
can
no
do
problem
whatever
with
you want to
I'm
do.
asking you why.
I'm saying I'm not part of them.
So
I'm
you're
not part of them.
Why
No,
are you filming me then?
because I'm a member of public, and you're a public servant,
Okay,
and I'm
that's
standing on
fine.
the public place, so it's okay. Don't create the scene here.
No, you're creating.
You see, unnecessary scenes creating by
This gentleman very nicely.
inspector from Redbridge. Yeah, you can talk to him. Yeah, keep talking to him. No, man, that's it. Yeah.